Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Shoppe Error Code 1. The error reads, "An error has occurred. Please try again later." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to cancel an order on Shoppe. Even if the order has not been shipped yet, users are unable to cancel and receive this error. According to our research, the error is likely caused by temporary glitches in the app or website, internet connectivity issues, or problems from Shoppe's end. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close everything and restart your device. Once restarted, try canceling the order again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try disconnecting and reconnecting to the internet. Then attempt to cancel the order again. If the error still persists, simply open Shoppe on another browser and see if you are able to cancel the order. At last, if nothing helps, then reach out to the Shoppe support team and report the issue. At this point, they are the one who can assist you further. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.